like in shock.
Oh my goodness.
Where's Henry? Has he seen this? Yeah. I swear there's nothing cuter than Asian babies. So adorable.
We will take that. How much is this?
The ones are really expensive at Costco.
A Costco?
Yeah. Yeah.
How much?
It's like $100. I mean, it was. How much was it, honey? Yeah.
We should have. Well, I give him the. I bought him the bathtub toy for like $6. Well, because he's still young, he doesn't know anything yet.
Hey, Jerry, is this for you or for the baby?
Point.
And the baby's like, what? What in the heck is going on here? He's like, why are all these dogs laughing at me?
Okay, you can.
Oh dear.
I'm moving around. Good job, baby. You having a good time? I have a good time.
Yeah, Daddy's having
He don't like the Christmas tree, Jerry.
Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. I can't hear a thing.
What do you think, Henry?
That's how you use it.
You want to try?
He's a little scared of it.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He's a little.
Hello.
This is chair.
Say hello to your friends. You see each other too.